The Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception is a landmark on the skyline and in the hearts of the people of Kansas City. Through our Building Glory Capital campaign, Bishop Johnston and your parish leadership have been working hard for over 5 years to see that our historic gold dome continues to shine for generations to come as a sign of our Catholic faith and community presence. Today, the campaign has raised more than $13 million to continue this 190-year legacy. The parishioners of the cathedral began this campaign with gifts of faith that rallied others in the Catholic community to donate, many for the first time, along with local foundations and corporations. You made this happen, and the results are visible in the new Bishop Hogan Center with its Father Donnelly Hall. And now, the glorious crown of the statue of Mary and the Christ child. The campaign continues with the planned $3 million renovation for the cathedral, including a new roof, HVAC, lights, and paint inside and out, along with a new sound system. And now we are especially blessed. An anonymous new donor has stepped forward with a $1 million challenge that we have until December 31st to match. Here again, the parish is leading the way with more than a third of this dollar for dollar challenge in our hands. Bishop Johnston is collaborating closely with us to ignite donors both old and new to this call to aid the Mother Church of our diocese. I'm Father Paul Turner, the pastor of the cathedral, speaking to you from my new office inside the Bishop Hogan Center. If you've ever wondered how you could give more to this holy place, now is the time. This challenge means anything you pledge will be doubled. Even if you cannot give cash right now, a pledge committed for future years, 2025, 2026, or 2027, will be matched dollar for dollar today, but only during this challenge period. Go to our website, kcgolddome.org. At the top of the page, click on Giving and then select Restoration Project from the drop-down menu. Fill out that form and return it to us. You will double your impact, but we need your help before December 31st. Thanks for considering this appeal. May God reward you and all those you love.